Today, we not only celebrate the opening of a new facility, but the impact we envisage it will have on the residents. At a cost of $5.1 million, this resource center was brought to its refined state and is now retrofitted with computers and a printer. This brings me great joy, as students will be able to join their school sessions online and respond to the various demands that come with learning.
To the people of Stony Hill, this is for you. This is for your children, especially in this time when children need access online. And I hope you take good care of it and use it in the proper way. I recognize many families still may not have a device, and we are still working. The government is working to make sure that our children are equipped with devices. But if you don't, there are 11 computers here to support you, and I'm urging the principal to make use of that.
With the COVID-19 pandemic at hand, this could not have come at a better time. If you look at the records, it will show that, well, I know from my records, that over 70% of our students since March last year have not been accessing online platforms for classes. With a resource center like this being opened this morning, of course it will open the way for many students in the Stony Hill community to do same. So I am sure that 70% will be reduced drastically.
The Universal Service Fund as a partner came on board, and we did what was necessary to make sure that the people of Stony Hill now more than ever have access to the internet superhighway.
There are more Wi-Fi hotspots coming to West Rural St. Andrew. And yes, I did put it in. Lawrence Tavern will have such. Red Hill Center will have such. And of course, here in Rocky Valley, you have this center here to access your Wi-Fi connection.
This project could be more timely because our children needed ways to get onto the classes, the Zoom classes, the log on this, the Google search. You have the opportunity now. You have no more excuses why you can't be online on a class. Everyone with the password Rocky Valley Hotspot at 123, get ready. Google, Snapchat, Twitter, Google Class, everything is at your doorstep. We are a country that wants to ensure that we are knowledge-based, and we have brought it to your doorsteps. Enjoy.